This is Turbo. Unlike his name suggests, he is the sleepiest, chillest boy one could ask for. Most of the day, he's like this. He's about 9 years old and generally a good boy. He never barks or growls or even licks you, but he loves to snuggle up next to you and act like he's still a lapdog even though he's 60 pounds. If you're looking for a guard dog, maybe look elsewhere. Should someone attack you, I think he loves people so much, he would just want pats from them anyways. When he's out and about, he suddenly turns 2 years old and has the energy of a puppy. But when he comes home, he's right back to being an old man. He doesn't chew what doesn't belong to him and is properly house trained. Turbo is available for adoption at West Los Angeles Animal Services. So if you're in the LA area, consider adopting him. Link for his pet adoption profile below. So if you're looking for a chill dog to cuddle with and give pats to, Turbo's your dog.
Good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.